kindergarten, today we're going to talk about one more and one less. But before we get started on that, let's review. We've been talking about more and less, but we haven't hit one more and one less. So if I have, this is a wagon, just so you know. Let me put my little wagon here, and I'm going to put some apples in my wagon. I'm going to put 2 apples in my wagon. And let's see, we've got another wagon over here. This wagon has 5, make them basketballs. All right, Tyler, tell me, which one of these has more in it?
Basketballs.
Yeah, this has more. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this wagon only has 1, 2. Riley, tell me, which one of these wagons has less?
Apples.
The apples, there's only 1, 2. That's a smaller number, isn't it? It has less. Okay, so we're going to work on one more and one less. Okay? If I wanted this wagon to have 1 more apple, how many? We've got 1, 2. What do you think, Brighton? Tell me which one, how would it make 1 more? How many would you put in there?
1.
1 more. 1 more means you need to add 1 more. And we have 1 more. How would you make 1 less? If we have 3 in it right now, how do we make 1 less, Tyler?
Take 1 away.
We're going to take 1 away. That's 1 more, 1 less. Okay, I've got a game here we're going to play. I'm going to give you your paper. Just leave it on your desk. You don't need to do anything with it. And I'm going to give you a dice. Do not roll your dice yet. Just let it sit right there. I'm also going to give you a 10 frame. That way you can use it with these counters to help you figure out what number is going to be 1 more and 1 less. Okay? Here's a pencil. All right, we're going to do the first one together. I'm just going to give you a whole bunch of counters right there. You won't need to use them all. Okay, so Brighton, go ahead and roll your dice once for me. What'd you get?
1.
Okay, let me write that on the board. You rolled a 1, right? Yep. Okay, everybody put 1 counter on their 10 frame. Okay, now we need to figure out 1 less, and we need to figure out 1 more. Okay, let's do the 1 more first. Everybody add 1 more counter to your 10 frame. How many counters do you have on your 10 frame now?
2.
You have 2. 2 is 1 more than 1. Okay, everybody go back to just your 1 on your 10 frame. Okay. Now, if you take 1 away, 1 less, go ahead and take it off. How many do you have left, Brighton, on your 10 frame?
0.
You have 0. Everybody see how we're going to do this? Make sure you're using your 10 frame to help you along. You're going to write the number that you roll on your dice in this middle column on your paper. Okay? You're not going to draw it like this. I want you to draw the actual number 1. Make sure that you're writing your numbers the correct way. Make sure your 2s are facing the right way. Your 5s are facing the right way. We've learned all those, and I want to make sure that you know how to do them right. Okay? Okay, go ahead and roll your dice once. Everybody go ahead and do it. Do a few for me. Write down what you rolled in the middle column. Make sure you use your 10 frame so you can find out how many is more, 1 more, and 1 less. Riley, what'd you get there?
A 5.
Name the number that is 1 more than 5. 6. Good, you wrote your 6 right too. Tyler, keep going. Do another one.
5.
Roll another one.
4.
Okay, we're gonna fill up this whole page, right? And make sure you're using your counters so you don't make a mistake on your 10 frame. Tyler, are you using your counters? I don't want you to make a mistake. I'm not using your counters. Okay, guys, we're gonna stop right there for just a minute. Stop right there. We'll finish it because you're gonna hand it in to me when it's all finished. There should be 10 problems on there. Brighton, can you explain to me, how did we determine if something was 1 more?
You add 1.
We did. We added 1 more to our number, right? Tyler, can you explain to me, how did we make 1 less?
Subtract 1.
we take one away, right? So if we have, let's do it one more time. If we have 3 basketballs, or are those baseballs? They're basketballs now.
You.
They're balls.
Okay.
Okay. Tyler, how do we make one less?
Take one away.
We're gonna take one away. Riley, explain to me, how do we get one more?
You just have one.
We just need to draw one more, right? One more. Means we draw one more. Okay, good job. Finish up your papers and we'll turn them in.